2 root 3 plus root 3. So here I can take, this is root 3, I will take root 3 common out. What remains inside is 2 plus, this is 1 here. So it becomes root 3 into 3. So this is 3 root 3. For the next sum, multiply root 10 into root 15. So I have root 10 into under root 15. I put the same under root sign for both, 10 into 15, and now I will break 10 up by short division. 10 is 5 into 2 and 15 is 5 into 3. Now it's time to make groups. So I make here, there are 2 5s which will come out as 1, and what remains now inside is 2 into 3. So this is 5 under root 6. Here we need to rationalize. So when we rationalize root 7 minus 2, we multiply by its conjugate, a minus b. So a plus b, numerator and the denominator, root 7 plus 2. So the numerator will be root 7 plus 2, denominator a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. So root 7 plus 2 over root 7 into root 7 is 7 minus 4, that is root 7 plus 2 over 3. Rationalize 1 over under root 9 minus under root 8. Now 1 over under root 9 is 3 into 3, so which is equal to 3. So for under root 9 I will put 3. Now for under root 8, 8 is 2, 2, 2. So for every 2 1 comes out, so 2 under root 2. So this is 2 under root 2. Now I need to rationalize this, so I write it up again. 3 minus 2 under root 2, a minus b, I need to multiply it by a plus b. So this is a plus b. So here I have 1 over a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. And in the numerator, I will get 3 plus 2 root 2. So this is 3 plus 2 root 2 over 3 square is 9, and 2 root 2 into 2 root 2. 2 into 2, 4, root 2 into root 2, 2. So that would be 8. So this is 3 plus 2 root 2. Rationalize 7 over 3 root 3 minus 2 root 2. Let's just 7, we'll put 1 here. So let's start rationalizing it. So we have 1 over 3 root 3 minus 2 root 2. To rationalize, I have to multiply by the conjugate. This is a minus b. So here I will put a plus b. Numerator and the denominator the same thing. So in the numerator you have 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2 over a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. 3 root 3, 2 root 2. So 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2. 3 root 3 the whole square will be 27. And 2 root 2 the whole square will be 8. So the answer will be 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2 over 19. The value of under root 32 plus under root 48 over under root 8 plus under root 12. First we'll find the value of each of these. We'll take up under root 32. Under root 32 is 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 5 times. So for every 2 1 comes out, I have to pair. So 2 2's will be out. What will remain inside is 2. So it will be 4 root 2. Now next I'm going to rationalize simplify under root 48. Now under root 48 is 2, 2, 2, 2 into 3. So again I make groups of 2. So for one will come out, another 2, another will come out. What remains inside is 3. So 4 under root 3. Next I need to do under root 8. And under root 8 is quite simple. 8 is 2, 2 and 2. For every 2, 1 comes out. So we have under root 8 is 2 root 2. Then the last is under root 12. And under root 12, 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. You have to do short division and find out. So this will be 2 under root 3. Now let me write this all over again. So we have here under root 32 plus under root 48 over under root 8 plus under root 12. So for under root 32, I'm going to write 4 under root 2. That is what I found out. For under root 48, 4 under root 3 over. For under root 8, I'm going to write 2 under root 2. And for under root 12, I'm going to write 2 under root 3. Now if you notice here, I can take 4 common out. So I'll take 4 common out. What remains inside is root 2 plus root 3. And in the denominator also, I can take 2 common out. So I'll write 2 here. And now what remains here again is root 2 plus root 3. So this root 2 plus root 3, this whole bracket, I could cancel it out. And now I get 4 over 2, and the answer is 2. Simplify 5 plus under root 5 into 5 minus under root 5. If you look carefully, this is a plus b and a minus b, which should be equal to a square minus b square. So I have now, so for this 5 plus root 5, 5 minus root 5, a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. Your a is 5 and your b is root 5. 5 into 5 is 25. Root 5 into root 5 is 5, and so your answer is 20. Simplify under root 12 into under root 8. So since both are under root, I put one under the single one. Okay, so 12 into 8. Now 12, you know, is 2, 2 into 3, and 8 is 2, 2, 2. Now I have to make groups of 2. So this is one, I'll write here. This 2 and this 2 go together, they will write here. Now what remains inside is 3 and 2. So this is 3 into 2. So answer is 4 under root 6. Calculate 4 into under root 28 divided by 3 under root 7. So I'll write it 4 under root 28 divided by 3 under root 7. So this 4 by 3 I can't cancel, but here I'm going to put a single under root sign because both are under root. So here, now within this I could cancel 1s are, and this is 4s are. So what do I get now? 4 under root 3 into under root 4. 4 under root 3, and you know under root 4 is 2. So the answer is 8 over 3. Simplify under root 72 plus under root 800 minus under root 18. First we'll take under root 72 and we'll simplify it. Now under root 72 is 2, 2, 2, 3, 3. If we do short division. So this 2 will come out as 1, 2. These 2 will come out as 1, 3. So what remains inside is under root 2. So it will be 6 under root 2. Now we get on to the next one, that is under root 800. Now 800, when you do short division like this, you'll be doing 2, you'll get 400, then you'll do 2, you'll get 100, 200, then you'll do 200. So I put 2, you'll get 50, 2, 25, 5, 5. This is how you got to do the short division. And when you put it up here, so this is what will be. Now it is time to make pairs. So these two, you write 1, 2, 2, you write another 2 here, and this 5. What remains inside is root 2 because it's got no pair. So you'll get now here 2 2s are 4, 5, 20, 20 root 2. The next one is under root 18, and under root 18 we are quite familiar. 3, 3 and 2. For every 2 3's inside you write, so this will be under root 18. Now here's under root 72 plus under root 800 minus under root 18. Let's put the values. For under root 72 we already have found it was 6 under root 2. For 800 we found this was the value, that was 20 under root 2. And for 18 we found 3 under root 2. So here we can take under root 2 common out. So we'll write under root 2 here, and then what remains inside is 6 plus 20 minus 3. 6 plus 20 minus 3 would be 23. So the answer will be 23 under root 2. Simplify 8 under root 3 minus 2 under root 3 plus 4 under root 3. So here's under root 3, under root 3, under root 3 common. So we take it out. What remains in here in the first will be 8. In the second term 2. In the third term 4. So you will have under root 3 into, this is 10. So the answer is 10 under root 3. Simplify under root 50 minus under root 98 plus under root 162. So we'll take up the first term, that is under root 50, and simplify it. Now on short division, your 50 will be 5 into 5 into 2. I make groups of 2. So it's 5 under root 2. The next one I need to do under root of 98. So I'll simplify 98, and that would be 7, 7 and 2. Groups of 2, 7 root 2. Now it's time to simplify under root 162. On short division of 162, it would be 3, 3, 3, 3 and 2. So I'll make here groups of 2. So I have 3 and 3, and what remains inside is root 2. So this would be now 9 under root 2. So my sum was under root 50 minus under root 98 plus under root 162. So for under root 50, I'm going to put 5 under root 2. For under root 98, 7 under root 2. And for under root 162, I'm going to put 9 under root 2. And if you notice here, I can take root 2, root 2, root 2 common out. So I'll take root 2 common out. What remains inside is 5 minus 7 plus 9. And that will work out as 7 under root 2. Simplify 3 cube root of 40 minus 4 cube root of 320 minus cube root of 5. So let's take up the first one, and that is 3 cube root of 40. Remember, this 3 has to be written inside the radical sign. So let's 3 cube root. Now 40 is 2, 2, 2 into 5. Since it is cube root here, I have to make groups of 3. So it will be 3 into 2 cube root of 5. So this is 6 cube root of 5. Next one is 4 cube root of 320. So 4 cube root, the 320 I will break up. So this is what happens when you do short division of 320. Now remember, it is cube root, so I've got to make groups of 3. One group, and this is another group. So what remains inside is cube root of 5. So this would be now 16 cube root of 5. And the last one is cube root of 3, which is already simplified. Now let's get back to the sum. We had 3 cube root of 40 minus 4 cube root of 320 and minus cube root of 5. Let's write down the values we have solved. This we simplified and we found it was 6 cube root of 5. This we simplified was 16 cube root of 5, and here was 1 cube root of 5. Cube root 5, cube root 5, cube root 5, take it common out. What remains inside is 6 minus 16 minus 1. And on working this out, you will get minus 11 cube root of 5. Simplify. 2 under root 50 into 3 under root 32 into 4 under root 18. So I start with 2 under root 50. That is 250 is 5, 5, 2. Groups of 2. So this would be 5 under root 2, 10 under root 2. Next I go to 3 under root of 32. So for 32, 3, 4, 5. This is short division of 32. I have to make groups of 2. So 1 and 2. So 3, 2, 2 under root 2. And that is 12 under root 2. Next we have 4 under root 18. 4 for 18, 3, 3 and 2. So I have 4, 3 under root 2. So this will be 12 under root 2. To go back to the sum, we had 2 under root 50 into 3 under root 32 into 4 under root 18. So for 2 under root 50, we found it here as 10 under root 2. For 3 under root 32, we did it here 12 under root 2. And for 4 under root 18, we did that here. So that will be 12 under root 2. Now I'm going to take the whole numbers separate, 12, 10, 12 and 12 separately. And there's under root 2 here, under root 2 here, under root here. There is no taking common out because this is multiplication. In multiplication, you don't take common out. So we have root 2 and the root 2. There are 3 root 2's here. See, there's 1 here, 2 and 3. So now I'll multiply 12 into 12 is 144 and into 10 is 1440. Root 2 into root 2 is 2 and this is the root 2. So it becomes 2880 root 2. Simplify. 4th root of 16 minus 6 into cube root of 343 plus 18 into 5th root of 243 minus square root of 196. So let's take up each one and solve it. Now 4th root of 16. So 4th root for 16, 2, 2, 2 and 2. Now because it is 4th root, I make groups of 4. So this will be 4, not 4, it will be 2 outside, 4th. I have to make groups of 4, right? So this entire thing will be there. So it will become 2, 4th root of 1, because nothing remains inside the radical sign. So 2 into 1, which is 2. I will take up the next is 6 cube root of 343. So 6 cube root for 343, it is 7 into 7 into 7. and it is cube root, so it will be 6. I make groups of 3 into 7, so the answer here will be 42. The next one is 18 fifth root of 243. So I'll write 18 fifth root of 243. I will break up. It will be 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 5 times. So it will be 18. And here I have 5 3s. So that will be 3. Nothing remains inside. So fifth root of 1, which is 1. So 18 into 3. And that is 54. And the last one is under root of 196. And under root of 196 is 2277. So this 2 will be out. 2 sevens. So it will be now 14. So we write down the sum again. We write 4th root of 16 minus. So 4th root of 16 we have found as 2. 6 cube root of 43 we found it minus 42. Here 18 fifth root of 243 we found it as plus 54. And here is minus 14. If you take all the positives together, you get 56. All the negatives minus 56. So the answer is 0. Simplify. 4 square root of 3 minus plus 3 square root of 2 into 4 square root of 3 minus 3 square root of 2. So here if you notice is a plus b. Here we have, this is a plus b and a minus b. So it is a square minus b square. So I have 4 root 3 which is my a and 3 root 2 which is my b. Now 4 root 3 into 4 root 3. 4 into 4 is 16. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So that would be 48. So I write here 48 minus 3 root 2 into 3 root 2. 3 into 3 is 9. Root 2 into root 2 is 2, and that would be 18. So the answer here is 30. Simplify. 4 root 3 minus 3 root 5 the whole square. So we have 4 root 3 minus 3 root 5 the whole square. This is a minus b the whole square, and we know a minus b the whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. This is your a and here is your b. So we have here 4 under root 3, 3 under root 5, that is b, 4 under root 3 and 3 under root 5. So 4 under root 3 into 4 under root 3 would be 48. 3 under root 5 into 3 under root 5 would be 45 minus. Now for this one you have 2 into 4 under root 3 into 3 under root 5. How would you do that? First multiply 2, 4 and 3, and that would be 24. Then you have root 3 into root 5 here. So 24 root 15. So for this is 24 root 15. When you add up, you'll get 93 minus 24 root 15. This was a minus b the whole square, which was a square plus b square minus 2ab. Simplify. 3 under root 45 minus under root 125 plus under root 200 minus under root 50. So let us simplify each of them. 3 under root 45, that is 3, 45, 3, 3 and 5. So I have 3 here. May I make groups of 2? 3 under root 5. So this would be 9 under root 5. Now for the next one, we have under root of 125, and 125 is 5 into 5, groups of 2, so a 5 under root 5. Next is under root 200, and if you break up 200, you would get 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. So I make groups of 2 here in this group. So I can make groups 2 and 5. What remains here is 2. So it is 10 under root 2. And last we have under root 50, which we already know now. Under root 50 is 5, 5 and 2. Short division. So that will be 5 under root 2. Let's go back and write the sum. It was 3 under root 45. So this was the sum. So we have seen that 3 under root 45 was 9 under root 5. Under root 125 was minus 5 under root 5. Then under root 200 we found was minus 10. This was plus, okay, so we just put plus here. This was plus under root 2, and under root of 50 was nothing but minus 5 under root 2. So here in these two terms we will take under root 5 common out. So I'll write under root 5. What remains inside is 9 minus 5. That will be under root 5 into 4. So this becomes 4 under root 5. Now on the other side here I can take under root 2 common out. So plus under root 2 common out, and what remains inside after taking under root common out, here will remain 10, here will remain 5. So here you'll get under root 2 into 5. So the answer here will be 4 under root 5 plus 5 under root 2.